Hello viewers, this is Ronald taking you through the tutorial for O-level mathematics for senior 2, and this video we're going to talk about the topic of percentage decrease stroke discount of a given price of an item, and this topic is still under business mathematics and is suitable for students in senior 2, senior 3 and senior 4. So percentage decrease of a given price of an item is a fraction of the decrease of a given price expressed as a percentage, and it's given by percentage decrease equal to decrease over old price multiplied by 100%. Now the decrease mean is given by old price minus the new price, because decrease means that the old price is bigger than the new price. Therefore, if the price of a certain commodity decreased from shillings 550,000 shillings to 500,000 shillings, then the percentage decrease in the price is got as follows. The first thing to do is to get the decrease, which will be old price minus the new price. So old price is 550, which is that, then the new price is 500,000, which is that. So when I subtract, I come up with 50,000 shillings. So this one is what we call the decrease or the discount. We shall see that word term discount in the next slide. So now that we have got the decrease, we shall come and get our percentage decrease, which will be decrease over old price multiplied by 100. Now the decrease is 50,000, old price is 550, multiplied by 100 to come up with 9.0909%. So that is our percentage decrease. So sometimes we can be given the old price and the percentage decrease, and they ask for the new price. So that is what we are going to look at this time. So the decrease, like we said in the previous slide, decrease means discount. That is why this word discount is there. Now what is a discount? A discount is a decrease in price of an item, and it's usually given in form of percentage. So always note that word, a decrease in price of an item, is what we call a discount. So know that term. And if there is a decrease in the old price of an item by a percentage, the new price is first got, the new percentage is first got, just as we did under percentage increase, after which the new price can be calculated. Now for percentage increase we added, now for percentage decrease we shall subtract, because there is a decrease. For example, to decrease 500,000 shillings by 30%, the following steps are taken. First of all, you have to get the new percentage, which will be now 100 minus. Now we are subtracting because it is a decrease. Minus 30 to come up with 70. So now this 70 is our new price. Therefore, so the new percentage, therefore the new price will be 70% of 500,000, which is the old price. Now 70% means 70 over 100, of means multiplication, then this one remains as that, and when I use a calculator I'll come up with shillings 350 as my new price. Now with that knowledge, you shall go through these examples. Example 1 came from UNEB 2015 paper 2 question 3, and it says Amina bought a television set at a discount of 5%. So I think you realize that now we are using the word discount, meaning a decrease. A discount of 5%. The market price of the TV was shillings this. Now what does that mean? It means that this is the old price. How much did she buy the TV? So they're giving us the old price, they're giving us the percentage decrease. What they want is the new price. So always when you see this word discount, just know that is a decrease. So the first thing to do is to get the new percentage, which should be 100 minus 5 to come up with 95%. Therefore the new price will be 95% of the old price, which is 350 here. Therefore 95% means 95 over 100, and of means multiplication, then 350 remains the same. And when I use the calculator, I'll come up with the amount being equal to 304,000 shillings. So basically that's what they wanted, and now let's see how much can be awarded. So B1 will be for getting the new percentage, M1 will be for substituting, and A1 will be for the output. So basically that's how the 4 marks could be awarded. Now shall go to example 2. Example 2 came from UNEB 1991, paper 1, question 7, and it says, a man bought a shirt at 20% discount. So you think you realized even here they have used the word discount, meaning there is a decrease. If he paid shillings 2,000, find the original price of the shirt. So now what they have given us, they have given us the percentage decrease and the new price. Not this word, this is in the new price. Original is another word to mean old price. So whenever you see original price, just know that they are referring to the old price. So what we are going to do, we shall first let X to be the original price or the old price, and after that we shall first also get the new percentage, which is 100 minus 20. Minus is because there is a discount to give you 80%. What does that mean? It means that 80% of X, which is the old price, will give you the new price, which is 2,000. So 80% means 8 over 100. Of means multiplication, X is there, 2,000 is there. So when you simplify, you shall come up with 0.8x is equal to 2,000, and when I divide both sides by 0.8, I'll come up with that. Therefore, X will now be 2,500 shillings. Therefore, you shall come and conclude that the original price of the shirt is shillings 2,500. So basically, that's what they wanted, and now let's see how much can be awarded. So B1 for the new percentage, M1 is for substitution here, and M1 is for the division, and A1 is for the output which they want. So basically that's how the 4 marks could come about. Now shall go to example 3. Example 3 says, suppose that after being given a discount, so not even here they've used the word discount, meaning a decrease of 12% of the marked price, David paid shillings 5,280 for a shirt. What was its marked price? Now this word marked price is another word to mean the old price. So or is not that word. So we have seen 3 terms now. There is what we call old price, original price, and marked price. All those mean the same thing. And this one is now what is the new price. So what we are going to do, we are going to also say that let X be the marked price or the old price, and after that we shall get the new percentage, which will be 100 minus 12 to give you 88%. Or that we shall say that 88% of this old price, which is X, will give you the new price, which is 5280. Now this 88% means 88 over 100. Of means multiplication, then X is there and this is there. When I simplify, I come up with 0.88, X equal to 5280, and when I divide both sides by 0.88, I come up with that, and in the end I'll come up with X being equal to 6,000. Therefore I come and conclude that the marked price was shillings 6,000. So basically that's what they wanted, and now let's see how much can be awarded. So B1 will be for the new percentage, M1 is for substitution, M1 is for division, and A1 is for the final answer which they want. So basically that's how the 4 marks could come about. Now we shall go to example 4. Example 4 says, when the cost of an article is decreased by 35%, know that word decreased by 35%, the price becomes, know that word becomes this. So what does that mean? It means that this is now the new price. Then what was the price before the decrease? In other words, the old price. What you are going to do, we shall come here and say that let the old price be X. What does that mean? It means that 35%, it means that the decrease, the new percentage will be 100 minus 35 to come up with 65%. Therefore 65% of the old price, which is X, will give you the new price, which is 431600. Now this 65% means 65 over 100 of means multiplication. X is there and this is there. When I simplify, I come up with 0.65x being equal to this new price, and when I divide both sides by 0.565, I'll come up with that, and when I make X the subject, it will be 664,000 shillings. So basically that is our price before the decrease. Now let's see how much can be awarded. B1 for the new percentage, M1 for the substitution, M1 for division, and A1 for output. So basically that's how the formats could come about. So that brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching, and be reminded that the next video will be on profit and loss made on an item, and it is still under business mathematics. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button below this video so that you can receive updates when this video on profit and loss has been uploaded. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and also if you know any student who's not yet on this platform, please share the link of this video with them via social media platforms like Facebook and WhatsApp so that you can all benefit as a family.